In this lecture, we will study about WL technologies. The WL systems they are based on any of the following technologies. Number one, you have satellite-based systems. Number two is cellular-based systems. Number three is low-tier PCSR microcontroller-based systems. Number four is fixed wireless access systems. Now we will see these technologies one by one. So at the first number we have satellite based systems. Satellite based systems, the WL systems which are based on this satellite based system technology, they are basically meant for rural and isolated systems. For example, we have regions which are isolated, like our islands. We can use WLS systems which are based on satellite based technology in the regions which are isolated, like we have islands. Okay, and then next one we have cellular based systems. Using this technology we can have wireless these local loop mobile systems or WL systems, and using these cellular based systems we can expand the basic telephony services, and such systems can have large power, they can have large range, they have median subscriber density, they can have medium circuit quality WL services. And using such technologies, our WL mobile phone systems they operate on 800 to 900 megahertz of mobile frequency bands, or 1.8 to 1.9 gigahertz of mobile frequency bands, and sometimes they also operate on 450 megahertz or 1.5 gigahertz of frequency band. Okay, after that we have third technology on which our WL mobile systems can be based on. So third one is low tier PCS, low tier PCS or microcontroller based technology. Okay, so using this technology we can have WL systems, and such WL systems which are based on low tier PCS or microcontroller based technologies, they will have low power, small range, high subscriber density and high circuit quality WLL services. Okay, so such type of WL systems they resemble with our PCS cellular systems, where we have a small number of antennas can be deployed in a given geographic area in order to have more number of subscribers in that particular geographic area. And such systems can be adopted in the market very rapidly. So it has rapid market entry facilitation, and the capacity of existing infrastructure can rapidly be increased. So it can increase, there can be a rapid increase in the capacity expansion of the existing infrastructure. Okay, and in such WL systems which are based on low tier PCS or microcontroller based technologies, we require more number of base stations to cover the same geographic area. So more base stations are required to cover same geographic area. So such type of WL system they resemble with our PCS, as we also require more number of base stations or transmitters and receivers in PCS services. And the operating frequencies in this type of WL systems are 800 megahertz, 1.5 gigahertz, 1.8 gigahertz and 1.9 gigahertz of frequency bands can be used in order to operate such WL systems which are based on low tier PCS or microcontroller based technologies. Okay, then we have last but not least, which is at number 4, and this technology is fixed wireless access systems. Fixed wireless access systems. Okay, and in such systems you have proprietary radio system designed for fixed wireless applications, and these proprietary radio systems they may or may not be extensible. So they may or may not be extensible to PCS or cordless services. Okay, so these are the fixed wireless access systems, and these systems which provide the WL mobile telephony, and they can be proprietary radio systems which can be designed for fixed wireless applications. They may or may not be extensible to PCS or cordless systems. So these are the 4 basic technologies on which WL systems are based on. So using any of these 4 technologies you can design your WL architecture. Okay, so this is all about the WL technologies that we can use to develop the WL mobile systems. Thank you for watching this lecture.